The sun's shining bright. It's a beautiful morning. Crowds are a little bit bigger than desirable. But it's day 2 of D23, so hopefully the crowds stay down a little bit. But it's our last day, so let's make it memorable.
Your attention, please.
What is shaking, everyone? Like I said, this is our last day, so we've got it jam-packed full of things to do. We've already got a fast pass for Indy. Ashley's like, I want a donut for breakfast, so we're on a hunt for donuts. Otherwise, we're getting our locker. We have dinner tonight for Blue Bayou, and yeah, we'll see where we end up. We'll see what we can come up with. It's gonna be go, go, go just because it's the last day, but it's supposed to be really hot.
Wait, we have to make a pit stop.
We have to make a pit stop.
We have to go to Universal to get the big donut.
We don't need to go to Universal to get the big donut that Ashley really, really wanted that we didn't get. So we are gonna get a donut. Well, yeah, it was a lot of food and really expensive.
Did you
So,
notice the sign that says coffee?
yes, I did notice the sign that says coffee.
Sorry.
So, anyways, we're gonna get a locker. We're gonna go get a donut. We'll show you what we find, where we find it, and just how good it is.
Now, we're only 20 feet away, so if he attacked us, we'd be okay. He'd land on the other side. Yeah, 30 feet's way over there. We're good. Oh, hey, Ginger. There's Ginger the crocodile. Say hi. Just watch out. Ginger snaps. Well, yeah, I mean, she's a crocodile, so anyway. Hi, Smiley. And, yeah, looks like they all have their trunks on, so go ahead and take some pictures, guys. Go ahead, yeah. Oh, and look, it's Bertha in the shower. Everybody wave. Look how wrinkly she's got. Looks like she's been there all morning. Don't take showers as long as that, okay? It's bad for your skin.
Take showers like that.
Oh yeah, that's good. Don't take showers. It's not worth it. Yeah, good idea. Oh, hey, buddy, what are you doing? No, hey, don't do that. Get down. Get down. Thank you. Sorry. I don't know what he's doing. Oh, no, he's reloading. Look out, look out, look out, look out. Just kidding. It's a joke. Don't everybody freak out at once. Wow. Yeah, it's just dry humor, guys. Don't worry. Oh, no, wait, hold on. Left it running. Now it's never going to turn over. I'm sorry, everybody. That's not part of the tour. That was monkey business. I apologize. All right, sorry. Let's get back to the tour. Straight ahead, you'll see a beautiful waterfall. That's called Schweitzer Falls. It's named after the explorer. I'm sure you'll know who he is, right? Dr. Albert Falls. Oh, no, you don't know who that is. Okay, we'll go over it later. Anyway, we're not turning onto the Nile. The Nile River is the longest river in Africa. Now, if you don't believe me, that's kind of on you at this point, right? You're in denial. Oh, cool. Look over here on the left side of the boat, my friends. That's an African bull elephant, one of the rarest animals in the jungle. You might never see another one of these as long as you live. Wow. Oh, cool. Look over here on the right side of the boat, my friends. That's an African bull elephant, one of the rarest animals in the jungle. You might never see another one of these as long as you live. Wow. Hey, and look, kids, look, those lions are protecting a sleeping zebra. Aww. That's really nice of them. He looks dead tired. Oh, yeah. Let's let him rest in peace. Oh, no, wait, that's not good. Oh, boy. Yikes. Okay, yeah, tell you what, learn your lesson there, friends. You don't need to run faster than the rhino. You just need to run faster than everybody else. That way you'll be safe, right? That's what matters. Oh, no, wait, hold on. You know what, friends? I think I took a wrong turn at the waterfall. I think I was supposed to turn left. These are hippos. They're not on the tour. They sank 6 boats last week. Yeah, 5 of them were mine. That's not the point. Okay, the point is I learned my lesson. They only attack when they come out of the water with their mouths wide open. Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah, here they come. Everybody cover your ears. I'm going to have to scare them away. Cover your ears. I scared them stiff. Let's get out of here. Okay, well, looks like they're just having a ceremony today. So, here, tell you what. Let me see if I can translate for you. No. Oh, no, wait. Oh, no. That's an ambush. Everybody get down, look out. That was close. Is everybody okay? Raise your hand if you're not okay. No refunds. Okay, sorry about that. Let me make it up to you guys. Let me show you this. This is the 8th wonder of the world. The moment you've all been waiting for. The backside of water. I said the backside of water. No, it's fine. Just don't try that at home, okay? You'll hit your head on the sink. Sam got Ellie a couple weeks ago. He said he got her for the trunk space. I don't believe that. I think he just got her because she's so cute. All right, everybody. It looks like we have made it back to the dock alive. Give yourselves a round of applause. You just survived the world-famous jungle cruise. Everybody have a good time? Yeah? Good. Me too. I had so much fun. I'm going to go again. It's not a joke. Anyway, as we approach the dock, give me a favor. Keep everything inside the boat, away from the edge. Hands in, arms in, elbows in, everything inside, and stay seated, okay? I'll tell you when to stand up. Only crazy people stand up in boats while they're moving, right? Yeah. Anyway, that was a lot of fun. But it's time to say goodbye. So on behalf of myself and every single one of us here at the Jungle Navigation Company, get out.
Welcome, mortals! For the best view of the portraits above, please drag your bodies away from the walls and lay them to rest in the dead center of the room, please.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis.
I see what you're saying.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Tranquility, it's time to respond.
So I know I said we were gonna ride Indy and find donuts, and we ended up on Jungle Cruise and Haunted Mansion, and still to come is Pirates. But we couldn't find donuts. They've removed our donut cart, so we had to settle for something else, and for something that I have been dying, literally dying, to find. Ash, will you do the honors? We found the Bride Churro that celebrates the 50th anniversary of the Haunted Mansion, and she's gonna shove it in my face. It's a churro with powdered sugar. That's really good. It's nothing fancy, but that's really good. I know it's very limited, so I don't know how long it's going to be around. If you get a chance, this is a good churro. There's nothing extremely fancy about it. There's no fruit. There's no special seasoning, really. Just vanilla powdered sugar. Bride Churro, right across from the Haunted Mansion. If you haven't seen it, go check out our Instagram. It'll be there. It's awesome. In our highlights, check out our highlights for our treats. You will see it. So we are off, I think, to Pirates. Then finally we're gonna ride Indy. And who knows, we've conquered this whole side of the park already. It really doesn't seem that crowded, even though everybody went straight to Galaxy's Edge. So who knows what it's gonna end up looking like. D23, a lot of them are here today, so the crowds might be a little more. Who knows? But we're on a roll. We're gonna keep it going, find more treats, ride more rides, and just be us, I guess. One thing I just noticed really quick, and this is Disney theming at its finest. They put the churro on a doily. Normally it's just a wrapper. It's a doily. I mean, come on, Disney, you're just pulling at my heartstrings now. By the way, here's the aftermath to these churros. They definitely make a mess. And even my shoe.
And your pants.
And my pants. Oh, I got a little bit on my pants. But the ground and my shoe.